So I don't know if I'm halfway done, partway done. Just figured I'd do an update. It really made this look a hell of a lot better. I'm going to paint the letters in all-nighter white along with the moon and the stars. But, I mean, if you compare that to that, I mean, I think I paid, I don't know, it was under $20 for a few of those. And you basically just rub it on with a rag. Once your rag starts getting crusty, grab a new rag, let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then wipe it off. But you can really see the line there. I mean, makes a huge difference. And then I'm gonna light it out here on the driveway, because supposedly it smells like shit when you first burn it. The chemicals or whatever burning off of the stove. But yeah, I mean, hopefully the camera is picking up how much of a difference that is. It literally looks like a new wood stove. So, it's funny, I saw the same exact wood stove right here, all done up pretty like this, with new fire bricks for $1,100 in a town near me. And like I said, I snagged this one up for a steal and a little bit of sweat equity. And you've got basically a new looking wood stove. I mean, I don't know. I'll do a final update once I do the whole thing. I still got to do this little bit, this side, and the top. So hopefully I can string all these videos into one. Alright, later.